Okay, in this video, we're going to be going over subtraction or taking away or minusing, however you want to say it. And we're going to start with 87, which is 8 cups of 10. So 8 tens and 7 ones, 87. And we're going to be subtracting 0 tens and 3 ones. Now, in this video, when we subtract and we take away, whatever we take away, we're going to put over here to show you what we've subtracted and taken away. And then we're going to show you what we have over here. This will show you the result of our subtraction. So first, like I said, we're going to start with 87 minus 3. So Thomas, if you can take those 3 ones from the 7 ones we have. All right, go ahead, buddy. All right, so now we had 7 ones, we took away 3, and we have 4 ones. 7 minus 3 is 4. And over here, this shows you what we took away. We took away 3 ones. So 87 minus 3 is 84. All right, now we have to make those ones really disappear. So Thomas, can you get rid of them for us?
Okay.
Thomas. Okay, now that we got those Cheerios picked up, we're going to continue subtracting. We're going to keep the 84 that we had, which is 8 tens and 4 ones. And this time we're going to be subtracting 2 tens and 0 ones. So 84 minus 20. And again, we're going to take whatever we're taking away, we're going to bring from over here and put it over here to show you what we've taken away. All right, so we would start with the ones, but we have no ones to take away. So we're going to go straight to the tens. And Thomas, can you help me take away 2 tens from the 8 we have? Okay, so we took away 2 tens. All right, so now how many tens do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right, so we have 6 tens, and we still have the 4 ones because we didn't touch them. So we have 64, which makes sense. 8 tens minus 2 tens should be 6 tens, and that's what we have. All right, so now we have to actually make these 2 tens disappear. This is what we've taken away. As you can see, we took away 2 tens, so let's make them go away for good, Thomas.
Subtracting is fun.
Okay, we're back with a little bit of a different problem here. We're starting with 6 cups of 10, or 6 tens, that's 60, and 4 ones, that's 4. So 64, we're going to be taking away 0 tens and 7 ones, or just 7. So that's going to be 64 minus 7. So just like last time, whatever we take away, we're going to put over here, and then you're going to be able to see what we have left. So why don't we start with the 7 ones? Thomas, can you take away 7 ones from the 4 that we have?
Well, we can't take 7 away from the 4 ones. They're not enough.
You're right. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these tens. All right, we're going to take one of these tens. Go ahead, Thomas, and we're going to put it into ones so we can actually be able to do then the minus 7 or the taking away 7. So you're going to add those 10 ones to the 4 that we have, and you're going to add those all in there, and 10 and 4 should be 14. So now we're going to have 14 in the ones there, and we're going to be taking away 7. All right. So, all right, Thomas, so why don't you start taking away those 7 from the 14 that we had and put them over there. All right, so now, because we took that 10 away, we only have 5 tens. We took away the 7 over here from the 14 that we made, and we have 7 ones. So we ended up with 5 cups of 10, 50, right? And 7 ones, 7, all right? And so that's 57. As you can see, we took away 7 ones. So 64 minus 7 was 57. All right. Okay, so we are starting with 6 cups of 10 Cheerios. So 6 tens, right? And we're starting with 1 Cheerio in the ones. So 6 tens and 1 ones is 61. And this time we're going to be taking away 3 tens and 2 ones, which is 32. So 61 minus 32. All right, Thomas, so we're going to start with the ones. Can you do me a favor? Can you take away 2 ones from the 1 we have?
Okay, wait, I can't take away 2. They're not enough.
You're right, there isn't enough. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take a cup of 10 and move it over to the ones. Thomas, can you do that for me? All right, so what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be adding the cup of 10, so the 10 ones there, to the 1 that we already had, and 10 plus 1 is 11. And now that we have 11, we can take 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 from the 11 we have in the ones now. Good. All right. So now if you could see, we have 9 ones. Right? Fix that for me. We have 9 ones. And if you remember, we took one of those 10s away so we could do the ones there. And now we only have 5 ones. So we have 5 10s and 9 ones, which is 59. And that makes sense. 61 minus 2, or counting backwards, 2 spaces, you have 59. All right. But are we done yet, Thomas?
No, we still have to subtract the 3 10s.
Right. We still have to subtract the 3 10s. So can you do me a favor? Can you take away those 3 10s from the 5 10s that we have? All right. Good. So we had 5 10s. We took away 3 10s. And now we have 2 10s. So we did 50 minus 30, and that's 20. So we have 2 10s now, and we still have 9 1s. And we took away all 32 of the 3 10s and 2 1s. So 61 minus 32 is 29. All right, good job.